Luxury Istanbul Hotel in Sicily, near Bomonti. This hotel features a full-service spa, an outdoor pool, and an indoor pool. Wi-Fi in public areas is free. Additionally, a restaurant, 3 bars, lounges, and a 24-hour health club are on-site. Hilton Istanbul Bomonti Hotel and Conference Center offers 829 shared accommodations with MP3 docking stations and mini bars. Tempur-Pedic beds feature premium bedding. A pillow menu is available. 42-inch flat-screen televisions come with premium cable channels. Bathrooms include separate bathtubs and showers with rainfall shower heads, complimentary toiletries, and hair dryers. Guests can surf the web using the complimentary wired and wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks, desk chairs, and laptop-compatible safes. Additionally, rooms include safes and complimentary bottled water. A nightly turn-down service is provided, and housekeeping is offered daily. Amenities available on request include hypoallergenic bedding. An indoor pool and an outdoor pool are on site. Other recreational amenities include a 24-hour health club and a sauna. Euphoria Spa has 14 treatment rooms. Services include facials, body scrubs, and body treatments. The spa is equipped with a sauna, a steam room, and Turkish bath. The spa is open daily.
So contagious, yeah, baby. Yeah, your love is so